Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I want to show you how to get on X Spaces. So let's open X application, and you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Now in the side menu there is this dedicated tab which is called Spaces. Let's open it, and here you will see different spaces that are happening now. They could be trending, or they can be some regular spaces. So check out here, and in order to listen that live conversation, you want to simply tap on spaces that you want to join and press start listening at the bottom side of the screen. Additionally, you can enable that feature that you want to listen anonymously. It's completely up to you. And additionally, if you want to find a space through your home timeline, so in your home timeline you will see sometimes spaces from the people that you follow on X. It should look like this. This is the screenshot. So again, in order to join the conversation, you have to tap on that spaces and select option to join. So yes, again, in your home timeline you will see spaces from the people that you follow on X. So that's how you can get on X Spaces. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.